Let's delve into the Docker community and the resources available to help you learn and grow. This is where you can find help, share experiences, and continue your Docker journey. The official Docker documentation is your go-to resource for comprehensive information. It includes guides and tutorials that cover a wide range of topics. It also has API references and examples to help you understand how to use Docker's various features. You'll also find the best practices and use cases to ensure you're using Docker effectively. Finally, there are getting started resources, perfect for beginners who are just starting out. Docker community forums are great platforms to connect with other Docker users. You can use the official Docker community forums to participate in discussions and get help from other users. You can also use Stack Overflow, using the Docker tag, to ask questions and find answers to common problems. The benefits of using these forums include the ability to ask questions and get answers, share your experiences with others, connect with experts in the field, and learn from real-world problems that other users have faced. The Docker Hub Registry is a vast repository of container images. It contains millions of container images that you can use in your projects. You can easily search and discover images that meet your needs. It also has official and verified images to ensure quality and security. There are also community contributions, where users can share their own images and contribute to the ecosystem. Visit hub.docker.com, the world's largest library of container images. The Docker GitHub Repository is where the open-source Docker projects are developed. You can use it to report bugs and issues that you encounter. You can also request new features that you would like to see added to Docker. You can contribute to the development of Docker itself. Also, you can access the source code to understand how Docker works under the hood. Visit github.com/docker to explore the open-source Docker projects. There are many learning resources available to help you master Docker. You can check out Docker training for official courses and certifications. There are also many YouTube tutorials that provide free video content and walkthroughs. Additionally, there are books and ebooks available that offer in-depth guides and references. A suggested learning path includes starting with the basics, practicing with examples, building real projects, and joining community discussions. Docker community events are great opportunities to connect with other Docker enthusiasts. DockerCon is an annual global conference where you can learn about the latest trends and technologies. Local meetups are city-based community gatherings where you can network with other users in your area. There are also virtual events such as online workshops and webinars that you can attend from anywhere. Hackathons offer the chance to build and compete with Docker. Benefits of attending these events include networking with professionals, learning the latest trends, participating in hands-on workshops, and exploring career opportunities. Now that you've learned about Docker, here are some next steps you can take. Join Docker community forums to engage with other users. Explore the Docker Hub Registry to find and use container images. Follow Docker on GitHub to stay updated on the latest developments. Attend local meetups to connect with the Docker community in person. Start building projects to apply what you've learned. Keep learning and keep growing, because the Docker community is here to support your journey. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.